Crease lines. This happens when you take thick section or you stop and hold the curling iron too long in one place. Instead of a smooth curls, you get a dent or line. Second issue, starting from the bottom and rolling up. The ends get too much heat, the mid-length gets weak structure, result uneven curl. Now I start working on slightly damp hair, about 30% damp. First I apply Palm Mitchell Extra Body Sculpting Foam. I use about 4 pumps total, but I apply 2 pumps at a time using a paddle brush. How much you use depend on your hair density. Thin hair, less product, medium hair, moderate, thick hair, more. GHT heat protector spray all over, and you can see I'm applying all over. After that, very important, I dry the hair 100% completely. If your hair is even slightly damp, curl is not going to stay. Using GHT curling iron 1.25, 365 Fahrenheit temperature. Divided the hair into clean section, left, right, back, and I keep the crown separate. Start from the crown. This is where the volume starts. Take about 1 inch section. I lift the hair to about a 90-degree angle. First 2 curls backward and front section forward. After curling, I immediately spray short scarf Oasis elastic, then secure with a clip to cool. Now the correct curling technique. This is key. 1 inch clean section. Place the iron near the root. Slide slightly upward. Then start curling from the mid-length. Rotate and move down smoothly to the ends. After each cut, light spray, clip it up. Let it cool completely. Just keep using this and it will be stay longer, the hold. After each curl, light spray, clip it up, let it cool completely, longer hold. Same curls up to the crown I'm going to do. On one side I did not clip the curls, even the spray, they drop faster. On the other side I spray before curling, curl properly, clip to cool. Once everything is cool, remove the clips. You can clearly see this side hold much better. Now you can style in two ways: finger comb, soft bouncy curls, brush out, fuller volumizing waves. For the crown, I lightly brush to add lift, and that the difference. Proper prep technique settings. If your curls never last, follow these exact steps and you will see a huge difference. Let me know in the comments which mistake were you making, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy hair tutorials. Thank you.